So we're on to step 6. Let's begin. This is marketing assets. And this, we're just going to click here, take us through to the marketing assets page. You can also get there through the hamburger menu. So what this does is it enables you to add content from an existing website. So I'm going to use as an example our Meet the Team page. I'm going to copy the URL and then come here, paste it in. And then what it does is it starts to draw out the information. It's loaded into a different way. I don't know if you've ever used a ChatGPT or Claude, and halfway through the conversation, it starts to lose track of what it set out to do in the first place, or it forgets some important points. Well, the way that we're storing information is a bit differently, and this is a really easy way for content to be stored in a structure that AI can read easily. So it stores the URL, the image, and some of the content about it. And so I'll explain more as I'm going along. So these are the images that it's pulled from the page, and you can select which ones that you want to go on. So I'm going to pick me, Simon, Alice. I'm going to pick that little guy, and that'll do for now. And I'm going to import those images. So this is all about Meet the Team then. So anytime that I want to talk about the team in the content, Inkie will know all this information. We're going to have a little look at the details then. So who the target audience is, the homepage, the link, and then it breaks it all down into the information about all of us. It then hard codes this in so that anytime it needs to reference, it can quickly pull all of that information through. So I'll do another one now. I'm going to do sign up. So this is a product. Sorry, again. So that's a person. This is hopefully going to come through as a product. So it's just searching the page again. Okay, so again, it's pulled through all these images. We don't need all of this when we're talking about, so I'm just going to pick a couple of them. That guy, I think that's enough for that one to go with that product. So I'm just going to import selected. If you add a URL when you're on the content timeline that we'll come to in a minute, it will also add it to this page, but you can go in at any time, and I'm going to select that as main, and you can change all of that kind of stuff. So discover, and I'm going to set that one as main as well. You can, if you update the website and then you want to change the information that Inkie's storing because of that, you can re-import the same link and it will check for any updates on the page. So that is how marketing assets work. You've got the details, you can edit at any point, you can change the images,